You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Nkechi Blessing has dropped a huge hint on her Instagram page, indicating that she may be pregnant. She took to her Insta story on Monday to complain as she wrote on one of the signs of pregnancy. Also on her account, Nkechi posted a photo in which she could be seen wearing a turban and a black gown. Blessing though edited the picture to definitely cover her belly, as she captioned it with the words,
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.